Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about the recently announced Realme 12 5G. I haven't been able to do anything but wait for my review unit, which has been held up at customs for 2 months, even though the Realme 12 Plus was released sooner. All we can do is wait, as it's a typical problem that many of us encounter. Let's get started with the Realme in the meanwhile. There has been some discussion about the Realme's appearance. I really adore it, even though some people find it controversial. It looks similar to the Realme 11 Pro, which I've reviewed in depth on my YouTube channel. The Realme is made entirely of plastic, and has a matte back surface that is both fingerprint resistant and nice to the touch. Although it initially appears to be deceptively metallic, the glossy frame surrounding the perimeter is really made of plastic. The Realme is lightweight and pleasant to hold, in my opinion. Though it may not be to everyone's taste, I find the appearance to be quite impressive. It is a formidable competitor in its price bracket with features like stereo audio, NFC compatibility, and a fast refresh rate display. Powering the Realme is an octa-core Density 6100 Plus CPU. It's a new chipset that supports 5G, but it's not the strongest. AnTuTu benchmark test yield 432,054 points for the Realme 12 5G. Its performance is comparable to the Helio G99, which can run well-known titles like PUBG, Asphalt 9, and Call of Duty on medium settings, even though this does not make it a gaming smartphone. Only the basic settings will function in more demanding titles like Warzone Mobile, and the gameplay may not be particularly pleasurable. A 5000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt rapid charging powers the Realme. Impressive battery life is achieved with superb optimization. When using Wi-Fi to watch YouTube at 50% brightness, the phone loses roughly 6% of its battery life every hour. Using the included power supply and native cable, charging is quick and effective. The 6.72-inch Full HD display on the Realme has a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a resolution of 2412 by 1080 pixels. The screen provides excellent viewing angles and is vivid and bright. Despite not being in AMOLED, it nevertheless provides a pleasing visual experience. The appearance features a glossy plastic frame that looks like metal and a matte plastic rear that deters fingerprints. With an 18-megapixel sensor, the main camera is a noteworthy feature. The front camera has an 8-megapixel sensor. Pictures from the 108-megapixel sensor are remarkable, with rich colors and outstanding detail. It also features stabilization for video recording and a 3-fold zoom without sacrificing clarity. A dynamic island known as a mini capsule, located close to the front camera on the Realme, can be configured to show different notifications. Like the iPhone 15 Pro, the power button also functions as a dynamic button, enabling speedy operations like turning on the camera or changing the volume. The light and proximity sensors operate without a hitch, and the GPS maintains its exceptional accuracy indoors. A contemporary, well-rounded mid-range smartphone is the Realme. It's hardly a gaming behemoth, but with a good display, dependable camera, and long battery life, it's great for everyday usage. For the majority of customers, it's a fantastic option because it has features like NFC, lots of storage, and an easy-to-use interface. Without a doubt, I would tell my friends and acquaintances about this model. Your thoughts on the Realme 12 5G? Post your ideas in the comment section. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the future. Have a nice day and God bless you.